Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial video. In this tutorial video right here, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT error code 1020. Now this is an easily fixable error code. However, before we get started, this is basically what this error code is about. It's unsafe or fraudulent activity from your IP address. So if you have engaged in some unsafe activity or have an unsecured network, this may pose the ChatGPT security firewalls to block your IP address, thus displaying the 1020 error message. Now, how can you actually fix this? Now, obviously, one fix is to contact support and tell them that your IP address is okay, that you're not doing anything fraudulent. However, if someone did something fraudulent or unsafe activity on ChatGPT on your computer, then that's on them. You will need to go and you will need to basically connect to another internet with another device to basically be able to go and log in into ChatGPT. However, some of the other things you can do is obviously you can check your IP address to see if has been blacklisted, to know you're being blocked from ChatGPT. You can try a different browser or access ChatGPT from, for example, Google Chrome or Brave browser. Or if you use a VPN or proxy, try disabling it, and also try disabling the antivirus as well. So that's basically what you can do. Obviously, right here, you can see what is my IP. You can obviously check your IP address. You can make sure that manual proxy setup is off. Disable your proxies or VPN, try different browser, again as I told you right here, clear the data on the browser. That can be also the potential culprit of this issue. And obviously you can also go and remove all the extensions and just play around with that. I think that will be able to help you. If it's not helping you, comment down below or contact support directly on OpenAI and they will be able to help you directly. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.